everything that you need to know about CMA USA. Hi everyone. For those seeking a passport to global career opportunities, look no further. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the Certified Management Accountant qualification from the USA. Imagine completing a prestigious professional course in the shortest time possible and unlocking doors to work anywhere in the world. That's the power of CMA USA. The Certified Management Accountant course offers a streamlined path to success. In just a year and a half, diligent students can conquer this qualification. But how? CMA USA stands out with its global recognition in over 150 countries and a concise exam structure. With only 2 parts to tackle, it's a breath of fresh air for commerce professionals eyeing an international career, with a minimum score of 72% required to pass each part, demanding dedicated preparation. That's where institutions like the Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya come into play. With tailored study materials and expert guidance, students can polish their skills and tackle over 4,000 practice questions. And the results speak for themselves. With a success rate of over 70%, graduates from Lakshya are making waves in the professional world, earning recognized and prestigious positions. Now, let's talk about the exam itself. Spanning 4 hours, candidates face a rigorous test divided into 2 distinct phases. The first 3 hours are dedicated to multiple choice questions, testing your knowledge on various aspects of financial management and strategic planning. But here's the catch. You'll need to stay sharp, as the last hour is reserved for essay questions where critical thinking and analytical skills take center stage. But fear not. CMA USA exams are designed to accommodate your schedule and confidence level. With 3 exam windows throughout the year, January or February, May or June, and September or October, you have the flexibility to choose the date that aligns best with your readiness. So, whether you're a January starter or a September strategist, you have the freedom to write the exam when you're truly prepared. It's all about maximizing your potential and seizing the moment. In conclusion, CMA USA isn't just a qualification. It's a ticket to a world full of opportunities. Whether you're eyeing a career abroad or aiming for success closer to home, CMA USA paves the way for a bright future in the field of commerce. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into unlocking your potential in the commerce world. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.